Let's jump right into this. Um, Apologies in advance. I have a little bit of a cold, so my voice might be a little bit heavier. I might cough a little bit. So apologies in advance, but let's dive into this. What exactly is AI Offices? AI Offices gives you access to over 70 different AI teams and agents that can do a lot of business automation work for you. Now, what you can do with these agents is you can chat with them, you can give them files, they can manipulate files, they can edit files, they can do tasks, and I'm going to show you how all these tasks work. But the main core purpose of AI Offices is for you to be able to rebrand AI Offices, the entire product, the entire SaaS, as your own product, and resell access to other online and local businesses who need access to employees. So what you could do is you can rebrand this and you can reach out to online businesses, online coaches, consultants. You can reach out to offline businesses, restaurant owners, mom and pop shop owners, brick and mortar shop owners, plumbers, lawyers. You can reach out to them, tell them, listen, I know you need social media marketing, you need SEO, you need all these stuff. Um, what if I give you access to a team of employees that can do all the work for you, right? And then you can charge them a monthly fee. So let's start with that. Let me show you how you can white label this. So once you're on the dashboard, you want to click on the profile icon up here, and then you're going to scroll down to white label option right over here. And it's similar to what Go High Level does as well. So what you can do is you can give it your name, you put in your API key if you want to put your that. You can enable an autoresponder when somebody signs up, they're sent to your autoresponder. You can upload your logo. Your logo would be this logo on the AI Offices will be replaced by your logo, and then on the login page as well. And then you can add your domain, right? Next, you can connect your payment. Stripe, PayPal, you can customize the payment, whatever price you want, monthly, yearly, whatever you want. You can put the price here. Then in the membership section, what you can do is you can create different membership levels, right? So you can give it light, right? So you call it light, and then you can decide how many members you want, how many staff you want. So we've got like 70 staff, so you can pick which ones you want, right? You can decide how many companies they want to create. You can enter a number. It could be one, four. I will tell you what companies, department, and projects are in a minute. But you can customize all of this. You can decide how many credits are uh, for this membership level, and you can create. Now, when you copy the payment URL, so when somebody goes to this URL, they'll be able to pay directly to your PayPal and Stripe, and get access to your new product. And then you can see all the users. You can edit, modify them as you like. Now, once you go, so this is how the white labeling works. So you've rebranded, let's say you've rebranded the entire product already, right? Now you have access to all these employees, right? So let's start with hiring a SEO expert, Tan Frankens. Let's hire him. Now, when you hire him, you can rebrand him as well. A different name, different description and everything, different picture if you want. And then you can even select a voice for him. So when he communicates, when he talks to your user, your client, or even to you, um, it can have like a different voice. So let's do one SEO expert. Let's also do one YouTube. Let's see if we can find a YouTube one. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So let's do a YouTube script writer. Again, you can rebrand it as you want, give it a different voice for communication. So we got 2 employees hired. Let's hire one more. Let's see what let's do a copywriter. So we're gonna grab a copywriter as well. There we go. Select the voice. You can preview all the voices right here. Now, when you log into AI dashboard, AI Offices, what you have to create is that create company. So you can create multiple companies, right? So when you give it access to a client and he has different companies, he can create different company, like pizza company Inc., lawyer company Inc. So you can create multiple companies. So right now we're in the XYZ company and we have hired all these 3 employees. Now what we can do is we can chat with them. You can go here, start a chat. Let's say I just want to find out what keywords are, what are keywords, right? You can ask whatever questions. You can give it. You can upload a file. You can ask him to extract all the keywords. So let's do this. Let me grab a blog post. Blog Bitcoin. Let's do this. Let's see if we can find a blog post. Okay, yeah, let's do this. So let me copy this and create a Word file. Just so I can show you a demo. I'm just creating a file. Copy some more data. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we created this file. So what I can do now is I can upload this file. And I can add to chat. And now what I'm going to do is I can ask him like, can you find out the top keywords in this article? And there you go. So what time that it went inside the file, read it, and he found all the top keywords in the file. So again, you can upload Excel files, different kind of files, and have them manipulate them, edit them, answer them, look into it, give you an idea of what's going on. Now, what other thing you can do is you can go into departments, right? And you can create a new department. So for example, we wanna do YouTube script writing, right? So I'm gonna create YouTube videos. That's my department. Description for creating YouTube marketing stuff, right? And in this department, I can add the employees that I want. So I want Tank, he's an SEO guy, and I want Brandon. Let's also add Samuel. You can upload an image, which is like a logo for your department. Click on create. Your department is ready. Let's go inside. Now, inside department, you can create project. Now, project essentially is a chat, a conversation uh, with multiple staffs together. So let me show you. Script writing project for, let's say, Feb, right? All video scripts for month of Feb, right? So we've added all these 3 employees already. We're gonna click on create project. Now, in the project, what you can do is you can upload some data as well. So if you want your team, all your 3 employees, to have some pre-ready data for them to, um, answer questions or be more prepared, have more information about, you could do that. So let's say in this project, we want to create video scripts about Bitcoin, right? So I'm going to go and upload the same file because it has some data about Bitcoin. And we're going to do extract data. And it's going to be in progress. You can also import from a website. You can just put in the URL of this page and it's going to grab all that data. But since we had the documents, we're going to do that. Right. So while this is in progress going on, what we can do is we can start the conversation here. So we click on this and we give it a name, scripts for Feb. Boop. Right. So this is our conversation, the first conversation we have. Now, what we can do is, of course, you can talk to them by speaking, but you can see all the stuff that we have here. We got Tank, Brandon, who's a YouTube scriptwriter, Samuel, who's a copywriter. Right, so let's do Brandon. Let's ask Brandon. Or let me show you how you can just speak to it, right? Help me write a short video script for Bitcoin. Right, so you can just talk to it and Brandon will write it. So here's the script. And this is super fast. The reason why this is fast, and it's faster than ChatGPT right now, is because we use GPT, Claude, and Gemini all together, right? And we mix it up and we grab the best response and we mix match all the agents to do like a really, really cool stuff. Now, anyway, so we've got the script ready. Now, what we want to do is we want to, who's our SEO expert? Tank, right? So now I want Tank to write like a title and description. So I'm going to say, help me write title and description for this script. And also give me 5 hashtags to use in YouTube. So here we go. So Tank wrote the title, he wrote the description, he gave you some hashtags, boom, ready to go, right? Now, if I don't like these hashtags, what I can do is, because I've got an SEO, I've got a copywriter, I can ask a copywriter to critique the script. So let's try, can you right? So he's critiquing it. He's giving you all these suggestions that all you can do. And next, what we can do is, based on the feedback and right. So we took all the critique, all the suggestions from the copywriter, and then we told the scriptwriter to improve it. So, you have all these teams who are working together, and you can have like so many different teams, working, discussing. You could add a graphic designer and you can ask like, okay, go create this logo. You could have bookkeeper and lawyers and accountant in a team, and they can communicate with each other and answer all the questions and everything. So this is like really, really, really powerful. It has never been done before. And of course, you can upload files and have them manipulate files, edit files, do anything. They can browse the internet, right? So you can copy this text, export to doc, export to PDF. You can access the internet to verify all the data. You can have it read aloud if you are busy or something. You can just have the answer be read aloud. It's gonna just talk to you in the language. Amazing stuff you can do with Teams. Now there are two other important things I want to show you. Custom agent. So what you can do is you can create a custom agent, right? So let's say I want to create a custom agent about Bitcoin. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go to directory. I'm going to create a directory called Bitcoin. All about Bitcoin. And here I'm going to give it all the information that I want. Like, it doesn't have to be, just a URL could be uploading. You can upload your company document, business document, whatever information you want your custom agent to be trained on, right? You can do that. Now the directory is created, as you can see right over here. Now what we can do is go ahead and create a custom agent, right? So we're in the general, give it a name, Bitcoin expert. Let's call it Alex, Bitcoin expert. AIO custom agent's role could be, Q&A or website chat Q&A, right? Helps website visitors learn more about Bitcoin. Simple stuff, right? You can upload a picture, you can create a picture, you can upload a picture. Click next. Now you can select a tone, whatever you want, professional, response style, academic, as we're doing, and then we select the directory for the custom agent to learn all that information. Now what you can do is you can create multiple directory, one for Bitcoin, one for Ethereum, or one for different coin, whatever you want to do, or completely different niche document as well. And you can select multiple directories. So the custom agent will have the knowledge about all of that, right? Now you click on create an agent and the agent is ready. You can hire the agent. Of course, you can white label, rebrand it as you want, give it a voice. And we got like lots of voices in different languages as well, right? So you can pick all those. Now your agent is ready. So you go into staff, you see hired staff, and you see your agent here. And you can, again, what is Bitcoin? Right, so you can talk to agent and you can answer questions about Bitcoins or whatever you're doing. Or you can add the agent into a team, into a department, and have it communicate with all these three guys. So you can create a custom agent as well and have it communicate with everybody else in a project. Now, we can also embed this, right? So to embed this, you scroll up, click on these three dots, you click on embed little thing here, right? So it's going to take you to the embed page. Now, to create an embed, what you're going to do is like click create new embed, general settings. Let's say embed for Alex1, right? Now, you're going to give it a website URL where you want to do it, where you want to embed it. Let's say abc.com/help, right? So now you can only embed this agent on this URL, right? So if you're giving this to a client, you have full control over where they can embed it. And again, you can select an autoresponder if you're connected one. Before starting the chat, users have to give their name and email. You can upload a picture if you want, a different picture. You can enable payment. You can have a monthly, yearly option. You can decide how much you want. You can connect your payment processor, and users will have to pay to be able to chat to Alex first, right? If you go next, you can decide the theme. You want to keep it light or dark. You can select the colors and everything, and then you create an embed. Now, the embed is active. You can click on here. You can get the code. All the instructions are here. It gives all the details. Now, if you sell this embed to a client, right, and they stop paying, you can simply click on this button and it will stop working. Simple as that. As you see, it says inactive now. Brilliant, super easy, works like a charm, right? And then again, you can click on this and you can click on working hours and you can define working hours for each employee. So if you're giving it to, employees or your clients are renting it out to other people, they can select what time the employee is going to be working, what time it's not going to be working. So you can select it for each individual employee. Give me a one a yes if so far you guys understand and see how cool this is. Awesome. All the lots of ones and yeses coming in. Right, right. So yeah, this is how AI offices works, and the most powerful feature I think is the team feature because you can do so much with so many people. And again, one of the core thing is one of the reason why we're giving you white label on the front end for just $37 is for us to give you the ability to go out there and start making money with this right now while you use it in your business and also help other businesses use this for their own business automation and save them money. Like, imagine you reaching out to a lawyer and be like, listen, I'm going to give you assistant lawyers, assistant bookkeepers, accountants, and all these different 70 employees. If you hire 70 employees, you'll be spending $100,000, at least $100,000 a year, right? No matter where you hire, if you hire them from Philippines, if you hire them from India, wherever you hire them, for 70 people, you're gonna end up spending $100,000. I will give it to you for $200. That's it, $200 a month, or you could even do like $400 a year, right? And they will be crazy, crazy to say no. And then you simply rebrand the program, create an account for them, give them access, give them a training video on how to hire, fire, all these. We've got tutorials, of course, and everything's taken care of for you, right? And we handle the technical customer support for you guys, right? So all you have to do is reach out to us, and we'll help fix any issues that you see. But this is an incredible offer that we have put together, and AI Offices is just incredible at what it does, and some of the things you can do, especially with the Teams feature, is just incredible. The amount of work that can be automated, that can be done, and of course, we've got social media staff that can, post on social media. We've got auto mode enabled as well. So you could check Tank and you can enable auto mode, give it a task, and Tank will just continuously complete the task without even needing your input. It's like a auto mode Incredible, so many features. I will take another 2 hours if I want to cover everything and all the different use cases. But yeah, we're going to be doing training for all our users.